Good morning, students. Today we would watch a video on adjectives.
The topic for today is adjectives. An adjective is a word that qualifies or modifies a noun. It answers the questions which, how, much, how many, or what kind asked of the nouns. For example, an entertaining film, 4 cups. The left turn. An adjective gives clarity to a sentence. Rita is carrying a green bag. Adjectives usually occur between the determiner and the noun. My friend Manju is a famous dancer. Before noun, there were tall trees and lovely flowers in the park. After linking verb such as is or has, or an intransitive verb such as seem, appear or look, the audience was disappointed. The winner looked surprised. Now, how do we form adjectives? We can form adjectives from nouns and verbs by adding suffixes such as full, less, like, y, ly, ish, ian, that is alive, ry, able, tal and ous. For example, care is a noun word, and when we talk about adjective, we use it as careful. Act is a verb and active is an adjective. Now, next topic which we are going to do is similes. A simile is a phrase which compares two different things having a common quality. We use the word like or as to make the comparison. The sun is like a golden orange in the sky. Sohini is always as cool as a cucumber. Degrees of comparison. When we compare two or more people, things or places, the adjectives that describe them change their forms. The basic form of an adjective is called the positive degree. It is used to describe something or to compare similar qualities. George Orwell was a famous writer. This chair is as old as my brother. When we compare two people, things or places having the same quality, the adjective is in the comparative degree. Ramesh is taller than Shantanu. Remember, when we are using comparative degree, the word THAN is usually used. And comparison is always between two persons. When we compare more than two people, things or places having the same quality, the adjective is in the superlative degree. Kanika is the tallest among her friend. Before tallest, the word the usually comes. So before using a superlative degree, the word the is always there. There are two ways of forming the comparative and the superlative degrees. By adding er or more for comparative degree, by adding est or most for superlative degree. We generally add the suffixes er and est to adjectives that are short, one or two syllables. Big, bigger, biggest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. We generally use more and most with longer adjectives, two or more than two syllables. For example, curious, more curious, most curious. Hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. Some adjectives do not have any fixed rules of forming the comparative and superlative degree. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most. Now phrases of adjectives. An adjective phrase has an adjective as the main word of the phrase, along with other words that may qualify it, such as adverbs. The soup is very hot. An adjectival phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. An adjectival phrase does not contain an adjective. The entire phrase functions like an adjective. It answers the questions, what kind, which one. The book on my desk is by Raja Rao. Which book? The book on my desk.